Okay, lean in for a second. There is a brand new AI side hustle in 2026 where local businesses will literally pay you $1,000 to $2,000 to set up a single robot for them, and almost nobody is doing it yet. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the exact tool, the exact automation, and how to land your first paying client this week, even if you've never written a line of code. Here's why this is different. Most online money advice is either saturated, fake, or pays you pennies. But businesses are sitting on real budgets, and right now they are desperate for someone to help them use AI. Experts are calling this the highest income, lowest barrier opportunity of the year, with setup fees from $500 to $2,000 and monthly retainers on top. The best part? The people who can actually deliver this are still rare. That means the door is wide open for you today. So let's break down exactly how it works. So what actually is an AI automation? In plain English, it's a digital worker that does a repetitive task for a business automatically, 24 hours a day, without a salary. Think about a local plumber or a dental office. When they miss a phone call, that's not just a missed call. That's a customer who just booked with their competitor instead. Local service businesses miss a huge share of their calls, and every missed call is lost money. Now imagine a robot that instantly texts that customer back, answers their questions, and books them into the calendar, all on its own. That is an AI automation. The industry shifted this year from AI that just chats to AI that actually does things. These are called AI agents, and they can handle support, scheduling, follow-ups, and lead capture. You are not selling a chatbot toy. You are selling a machine that makes a business money while the owner sleeps. And that is something people will gladly pay for. Now you might be thinking, why not just start a faceless YouTube channel or a dropshipping store? Here's the brutal truth. Those models are completely saturated. Only about 3% of faceless automation channels ever make real money. You'd be the 10,000th person doing the exact same thing. Selling AI automations is different for 3 reasons. First, you get paid up front, not after months of waiting on ad revenue. Second, the demand is exploding while the supply of people who can deliver is still tiny. And third, you are solving a painful, specific problem that businesses already want fixed. Most people are too intimidated to even try because it sounds technical. But as you'll see in a minute, the tools have gotten so good that you don't need to code at all. That fear is exactly why the competition is thin, and exactly why this window won't stay open forever. Early movers win. So let's get you moving. So how do you actually build one of these without coding? Meet the one tool that makes this whole business possible. It's called N8N. N8N is a free, no-code automation builder where you connect apps and AI models together by dragging boxes on a screen, like digital Lego. It blew up this year, hitting 200,000 users because it's powerful and beginners can actually learn it. Here's the cheat code. N8N has a library of over 5,800 ready-made workflows that you can clone with one click. You are not building from scratch. You are copying a proven template and customizing it for your client. Inside N8N, you can plug in ChatGPT or Claude as the brain, connect a calendar, connect text messaging, and wire up a full AI agent in an afternoon. If you can use a mouse and follow a tutorial, you can learn this in a weekend. This single tool is your entire factory. Master it, and you have a real skill that businesses will pay you for. Now, which automation should you sell first? Don't overthink this. The single best one to start with is the missed call to text booking agent for local service businesses. Here's how it works. A customer calls a busy plumber and nobody picks up. The instant that call is missed, your AI agent fires off a friendly text message. It asks what the customer needs, answers their basic questions using AI, and books them straight into the calendar. The business wakes up to new jobs instead of lost leads. Why this one? Because it is high value and low complexity. It directly makes the business money, so the price is easy to justify. Plumbers, dentists, roofers, salons, and law firms all have this exact problem, which means you have thousands of potential clients in your own city. Pick one industry, get really good at this single automation, and you instantly look like a specialist instead of a random freelancer. One automation, one niche. That's your opening move. Let's actually build it, fast. I'll keep this simple. Step 1, create your free N8N account and open the workflow templates. Step 2, search for a missed call or appointment booking template and clone it. Step 3, connect the brain by plugging in your ChatGPT or Claude key so the agent can understand and reply to customers. Step 4, connect the hands. Link a text messaging service like Twilio so it can send and receive texts, and connect Google Calendar or Calendly so it can actually book appointments. Step 5, test it with your own phone number and watch the AI reply and book a slot all by itself. That's the whole thing. The first time you build it, it might take you a day of fiddling. The second time, 30 minutes. Once you've got one working version saved, every future client is just a copy, a few tweaks, and a new logo. You build the skill once, and you sell it again and again. Building it is the easy part. Getting paid comes from finding clients, so let's nail that. Open Google Maps and search your chosen niche in your city. For example, plumbers near me. Make a list of 20 to 30 local businesses. Look for the ones with lots of reviews, because that means they are busy and definitely missing calls. Now here's the move that closes deals. Instead of just emailing them, build a quick free demo of the AI agent using their actual business name, then send it over. Your message is simple. Point out how many calls they are probably missing, show them the demo working, and offer to set it up for them. Cold outreach actually works here. Well-written campaigns have hit reply rates above 60% because you are offering real value, not begging for a sale. Send the messages, book a few quick calls, and let the demo do the selling. You don't need to be a smooth talker. You just need to show a busy owner the money they are leaving on the table. Now the fun part, the money. How much do you charge? For setting up that first automation, price it between $500 and $2,000 depending on the business. That is a one-time setup fee. But here is where it gets powerful. After setup, you offer a monthly retainer, usually $500 to $2,000 a month, to monitor it, tweak it, and add new automations over time. That monthly money is the real prize because it stacks. Land just 3 clients on a $1,000 monthly retainer, and that's $3,000 a month coming in on repeat, on top of your setup fees. Get to 5 clients and you are at a serious 5-figure-a-month business, run from your laptop. And you are not stuck doing one automation forever. Once you're in the door, you can sell them lead follow-up, review collection, reporting, and more. One happy client becomes years of income. This is how a simple skill turns into a real business. Before you run off, let me be honest with you, because most videos won't be. This is real, but it is not magic. One beginner shared that he made about $4,200 in his first 4 months. Good money, but it was up and down while he learned to sell. Building the automation is the easy part. Getting comfortable reaching out to businesses is the skill that actually pays. So here is your plan. This week, pick one niche, create your free N8N account, and clone one template. Next week, build your demo and message 20 businesses. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you learn this by doing it. The opportunity is here right now, the tools are free, and the competition is still asleep. If this gave you a real plan, do me one favor and subscribe, because every single day we break down a brand new way to make money online with AI. Your future self will thank you for starting today. I'll see you in the next one.